Hey Google, stop vacuum. Good day everyone, welcome back to another This Dope, and today I'm going to show you guys some of my most used tech for the month of July. As you guys just saw, I have the SharkIRobotVacuum. This vacuum literally plotted the entire house, and I could assign what room I want to vacuum at what particular time. I could set my timer. This vacuum is a device that I have used every single day since I got it. And to be honest with you, I try to keep a clean house. I am surprised how much dirt and dust and whatever else this vacuum actually picks up. So this vacuum right here literally is a device I use every single day. So speaking about devices I use to clean, this right here is another device. This is a Hoto leaf blower. Even though it's for leaf blowing, I use this pretty much for any time that I have to blow something dry. I grab this and I use this quite a lot. As you can see, it's another well-designed product from Hoto. I love how well planned out and how well designed everything is from Hoto. From the back, you could use this as a stand. You could literally put it like that. It stands up pretty easily, right? Because this is where the battery is. So it has these rubber stubs that allow you to use this as a stand. The battery has the charge indicator right here. You simply press that to see how much charge you have. To release the battery, press and hold and slide out. This is the battery right here. The battery does recharge via USB-C. Once you're ready, slide it back in. This is your grip area right here. You have two speeds. You have speed 1, speed 2, and you have a turbo button right here that if you press it, you get a little extra boost. What's good about this, the blades are actually far up inside of the device. So let's say if you are wearing a hoodie or your pants has a little string that is loose, the string is not going to get sucked in and destroy your blades, which is what happened with me with my last leaf blower. So this, the grill here protects it, but also the fact that the blades are far away, that also protects it. As you can see, it has two speeds. If you push this forward, the far forward location gives you volume. You slide it back, this gives you speed. And what's really good about this, the tip here, this edge is rubber. So it's good. Well, I use this a lot whenever I'm drying my car. I use this because the rubber, if I bump it against my car, is not going to scrape or damage my paint because of the rubberized tip. So again, this is just something that I use quite a lot. To be honest with you, I use this about 4 to 5 times a week, either from blowing around the patio, the backyard, or even washing and drying the cars. I use this quite a lot. This is a Hoto leaf blower. Next up, we have something that I use quite a lot, especially since we had July the 4th with all the barbecues and all the pool parties and stuff. This was my go-to speaker when it came to entertainment. This is a Soundcore Boom 3i. I have a lot of videos up with this, doing a lot of sound comparisons, showing you how to party cast, because this does have party cast. Simply have to press this here, linking it to all of your other party cast enabled Soundcore speakers. And this little speaker has been the life of the party for the entire summer for me. It has passive radiators on both sides. You have one big speaker here, one small tweeter here. You have 2 locations for your straps, which are removable. It does recharge via USB-C right inside of here. And you have all of your controls on top. You have your power button, Bluetooth, volume down, pause and play, volume up, light controls. So these do light up. And you also have bass up, and as I said, your party cast feature. This little speaker, I've taken this on Duffy boats, pool parties, beach, all events you could imagine for the summer. I've taken this. And what's also good about this is it's IP67 rated. It works well with the Soundcore app, and inside of the Soundcore app, you have full EQ controls, and you also have a nifty feature called, I can't remember the name of it, but the gist of it is, once you turn it on, the speakers vibrate. And so let's say if you take this to the beach, you go into the Soundcore app, you activate the shake feature, and it shakes all the dirt and dust off of the speaker just from using vibration. A good piece of tech to have. Absolutely love that piece of tech from Soundcore. a highly used piece of item over the last couple of months. Speaking about highly used, since I've been trying to step up my vlogs and my content a little bit more, this is something that I've been using quite a lot. This is the Maono T5 lava microphone. This is a Wave T5. It comes in this nice case. It charges via USB-C, and this is a lava mic. Actually speaking, if you could see inside of here, the case is empty because I'm using this right now. This houses your receiver and your microphone. I have one microphone left in here, and the good part about this does work well with the Maono app. This allows you to have like AI voice enhancement, noise control, gain control, mono and also stereo control. You have all of the controls that you would expect with a smart mic right inside of the app, and portable in this nice case from Maono. I absolutely love using this. I've been using this quite a lot for all of my videos to try to boost the audio quality of the video. So this is the Maono T5 microphone. And lastly, one of my most used devices, I pretty much use this every single day also. This right here is a CMF Watch Pro 2 smartwatch. The smartwatch has all of the features that you would find with your traditional smartwatch from Apple or Samsung, whatever the case might be, but at a very affordable price. As you could see, you have music, you have weather, you have breathing, you have timers, you have alarm, calendars, clocks, calculators, everything, activities, heart rate, exercise, all of your features right in here. And it's quickly adjustable. I could switch the face out on the fly if I wanted to. I could even change the brightness right on the fly by simply sliding down, changing the brightness. I have the ability to use this as a torchlight if I wanted to. I have every single feature I want right inside of here. So this, even though it's jam-packed with tons of cool features, is very affordable. It comes with this nice orange strap, which is removable and adjustable. And on top of that, the face is also completely adjustable. I can simply turn, twist, take this face off, and put on a different face if I want a different look for the watch. It's one of the most versatile watches. This is from CMF, which is a subdivision of the Nothing brand. So this watch is always going to be a well-received watch by me because of how well-designed, affordable, jam-packed with tech, works well with the CMF app. Again, this is the CMF Watch Pro 2, and I'm actually expecting to get the CMF Watch Pro 3 pretty shortly. So again, great watch, great features. So again, these are just some of the devices that I've been using quite a lot. As I said, vacuum every single day, leaf blower at least 4 to 5 times a week. The speaker mainly on the weekends whenever I have pool parties, barbecues, boat rides. Excuse me, I use that quite a lot. Microphone, since I'm creating more content, quite a lot, and the watch pretty much every single day. Oh yeah, one other piece of tech. So you see that little box in the corner over there? That is the Ultimia Aurora A50 soundbar. It's a 5.1 surround system that has Dolby Atmos built into it. Obviously, you will need to stream Atmos content to it to get that 5.1 surround sound environment. But that little subwoofer, again, let's take a look at it. See how small that little subwoofer is right over there? That little subwoofer in conjunction with the 3.1 speaker in the front and the 2 speakers in the back gives me one of the best audio experiences when it comes to movie night, so right now I'm looking over all of the season of like Stranger Things, because obviously the new season of Stranger Things is coming up. So this is just giving me that nice audio enhancement to enjoy that content, because I just love having that nice immersive sound system. So again, even though it's small, don't let that size fool you. That is probably one of the bangingest subwoofer systems that I've heard in quite some time. The speaker I had before was a bigger speaker from Bose, and when I got this Aurora from Ultimia, I was like, ain't no way this little subwoofer is going to provide the same audio experience. I was wrong. It's very comparable. So again, these are just all some of my most used devices for the month of July. I'll try to keep this up where every month I go over the tech I've been using the most of. So again, you gotta admit, these are dope. Pretty dope. Hey Google, start vacuum. Until next time, see you guys.